Dang, your nose is getting runny. I need meds, handkerchief, here's the Vicks, help you breathe. On your chest, on your face, on your feet, every place. Up the nose, stings like mace. Oh, the smell stinks up the place. Getting cranky, play some games. Favorite games like patty cakes. Throat hurting, try some Halls. Warm water with some salt. Take this ACD now. How you feeling? How's it taste? When you cough, your throat feel numb. Rattle, I hear it. I can make you some good soup. Spit it up, let me get it. Grab some stuff and a pot. This will really clear you out. Chicken noodle with sazon. This is easy, clear you out. Keep it clean, wash your hands constantly. Water's hot, cuddle me. I'm mommy, make you better from the start. If you sneeze one time, I'ma wipe ya. And if you sneeze 2 times, it's a cold. And if you sneeze 3 times, antibiotic. And if you sneeze, is it yellow or green, huh? On your face, on your face, on your face, on your face. Get that snot off your face before it dries out. Tylenol nasal spray. If you sneeze, cover please. Emergency, or you might try the NyQuil. Dang, your nose is getting runny. Dang,